Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to direct hiring. I am sharing more than 8 plus companies hiring for freshers and experience. Like and share the video, apply for opportunity, subscribe to our official channel. This channel will definitely helpful for all of you because we are sharing the genuine hiring opportunities. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batch is eligible. Apply for opportunity ASAP. Alta Domus is hiring for application support engineer associate. Fresh graduate 25 batch with 0 to 1 year of experience are encouraged to apply. 24 batch can also try to apply for opportunity and previous can also try. This is the roles and responsibilities. You can click on apply now button. This opening is posted yesterday. Zoho announced the opportunity software debug engineer officially at Chennai location. 0 to 3 years, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 batch can easily apply. Only shortlisted candidate. 26 graduates are not eligible for this. Okay, so 26 are not eligible, otherwise previous batch are eligible for opportunity, must apply. It's a good hiring. Bosch is hiring for AI ML Python developer role. Okay, and it is mentioned Bangalore Karnataka is the location. Bachelor's degree BE BTech in computer science, you can apply. AI ML proficiency, Gen AI experience, everything is mentioned. 24 25 batch previous can try to apply for this opportunity. Next hiring is basically from Forma.ai. They are hiring for enthusiast analytical mind to join customer analyst internet Pune Kalyani Nagar office. 26 batch is eligible. Directly apply through this link. Officially 26 batch is eligible for this hiring. MBA freshers 24-25 batch hiring is here from Quadrant Technology Warangal location. When you click on apply now button, they are asking your details in the Microsoft form, so you can apply. Next hiring is basically from Codebasics. They are hiring for software engineer intern, hybrid, minimum 2 days at office. Everything is mentioned. 25 batch pass out or earlier, including those returning from career back, can also try to apply for this opportunity. Next hiring is basically from Mercedes-Benz. It's a direct hiring, means that direct send resume hiring. 0 to 2 years of experience. Chakan Pune is the location. Everything is mentioned. Directly share your resume to this email ID. Next hiring is basically from Cloud Destination. They are hiring for multiple role: cloud, software, data, QA, DevOps, cyber security. Apply for opportunity ASAP. 21 to 25 can easily apply. Last hiring is basically from Microsoft India. They are hiring for 25 pass out or folks with less than 1 year of experience. Everything is mentioned here. Apply for opportunity ASAP. First name, last name, email address, phone number, LinkedIn. Okay, job ID separate, year of experience 25, 24, current company. Click on submit option here. All hiring videos are very good for all of you. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.